A warm welcome to all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank all of you for liking my content and my channels. Today, we are going to talk on a beautiful topic, most unheard of and very important, the Mool Trikona sign. What does the Mool Trikona mean? But before we move on to the Mool Trikona, please don't forget to subscribe to my video YouTube channel and my Spotify channel to get all the information on astrology that we offer to you. So, as we talk about the Mool Trikona sign, what does Mool Trikona mean? Mool Trikona is a place where a planet gives more than what it gives in its own sign, probably less than its exaltation sign. And it is a sign where a planet talks about what is its fundamental duty. So, Mool Trikona is a position that comes in the position of planets where they can give as much. First is exaltation, because exaltation talks about the sign or the place where a planet is most happy and so can give 100% of its potential. Mool Trikona sign is a place which is a part, which is up to a certain degree of a sign where a planet gives a lot more of what it stands for in itself and in a particular house. Then comes the own house, then is the friendly house, and then is the signs of debilitation. So let us talk about the planets and the place of degree of planets. For example, sun gets the house of sun, Leo, is its own house as well as a Mula Trikona house. When the sun occupies 20 degree to 30 degree, it is said to be in its own house where it is comfortable, where it is happy, and it knows it can do where secure, it can do whatever it wants. However, when the sun is between 0 degree to 20 degrees, here it is said to be in its Mula Trikona sign. So let us take up the discussion now. In its own house, in our own houses, we are all very happy, very much at home and very comfortable. But when we are in office, we have to be on an alert. We have a certain responsibility. That responsibility needs to be fulfilled, come what may the situation be. So when a planet is in its Mool Trikona sign, it behaves as if it is upholding its position, and with respect to that house, with respect to the karakatvas of that house, with respect to the planet's own karakatvas, whatever that is signified by that planet in that particular house will, within that particular degree, will be upheld by that particular planet. For example, sun is the karaka of the soul, it is the path, it is the illuminating path that we see. When sun is in a particular sign, or it tells us what kind of life path we are going to take. Similarly, when this sun is in 0 degrees to 20 degrees of the sign of Leo, here it talks about a person treading on a particular path relating to the house that Leo would fall in that person's chart, and the person would uphold that uh, that position to the highest degree possible, because Leo is a sign of being the greatest. And in that degree, between 0 to 20 degree, the nakshatras that fall are Magha and Phalguni, wherein one nakshatra makes you the epitome of being a royal person, and the other gives you a fair share. In fact, a share which is greater than what others get. So yes, when sun is moving in these particular degrees in the sign of Leo, that is between 0 to 20 degree, you get a fair bounty, a bounty which is more than what others get. And you also become known, you also get a lot of responsibility attached to that path that you are following. So here when we are taking the chart of Julia Child, to understand this more beautifully, we see that the fourth house, which talks about the things that we do on a day-to-day life. Okay, and fourth house also is the house that connects us to the masses with people in general. When it is Sun sitting between these 0 degree to 20 degree, as we had found out earlier, is the Mula Trikona sign. It makes you responsible. It gives you a fair share of bounty that you should get from anywhere. So in the field of connecting yourself to people and being responsible about certain work, be it cooking, day to day work, or presentation of not just food, but your skills on a level such that people understand you and following your heart's desire in that particular direction brings you plentiful, brings you luck, because here this Sun is also with Mercury, the lord of the second and the fifth house, which brings you luck and money and celebrityhood through these means. Mars is also associated with fire and is also the seventh lord of a public standing in her chart. So she got to be known as the lady who changed the face of American television's way of looking at cookery in a manner altogether. Now, we will move on to the example of Jupiter. Jupiter, when it is in a Mool Trikona sign, and that degree is 1 degree to 10 degrees. When this planet, Jupiter, is in Sagittarius between 1 degree to 10 degree, the duty, Jupiter is also known to, amongst all its work, it is known to dispense with justice. It is known to give you a vivek or buddhi, or the ability to discriminate between what is right and wrong, to go ahead, study things like philosophy and law, to be a good lawyer, to understand the difference between what is right and what is wrong. So when Jupiter is placed in the ninth house, which gives you a higher knowledge of understanding things, finding the truth of the things, and upholding that truth, being good at what you are, that is the work of Jupiter in this sign. And there what Jupiter actually does is helps you eliminate what is not right and to bring in freshness or to start things anew. Incidentally, this entire thing falls in the nakshatra of Mula. Mula is best known as a destructive nakshatra, not because it destroys, but it destroys the unwanted, the unhappening, and the one that is moving towards decay to bring about a freshness and a newness. So we can see how the nakshatras work beautifully in this case also. And we take up this example of Jupiter working so beautifully in this chart in the fifth house. Here, fifth house is also the uh, representative of your administrative abilities. It is the representative of your crisis management abilities. In the time of crisis, it is very important for us to know how to take certain actions that will prove beneficial on a long run, and how to eliminate what is not required. This person here, it's a chart that I've got in my readings. This person here is a very strong administrator, high up in the ladder, and knows how to discriminate between the right and the wrong. However, when we're talking about the Mula Nakshatra, in this chart, we also need to observe that Jupiter is in the fifth house, and in Mula Nakshatra, it would definitely clean off some part of her child also, because the fifth house, fifth lord in the fifth house in Mula Nakshatra, as I have found out in many of my readings, does eliminate one from having, does eliminate the chances of having a child. And I would definitely request you to just observe this in your chart readings, and please give me your feedback on this. That when Jupiter, this is a clear cut dictum of Karako Bhavna Shaya, when Jupiter is in the fifth house in its own house of Sagittarius, in the Mula Nakshatra, it can be devastating from the point of view of a child. Though it is very good for your administrative abilities, it is very good for your abilities to understand what is wrong and what is right and take right actions thereon. When we talk about Saturn, Saturn is said to be the Karmkaraka, the one that dispenses with your karma, the one that helps you work on a lot of scales and a lot of regions. So when Saturn is placed in Aquarius in 1 to 20 degrees and you're doing the right kind of work, Saturn very well goes ahead and it gives you a lot of wealth. Saturn has the ability to give a bounty of wealth, especially because the nakshatras here are Dhanishta and Sadbhihisha. Both these nakshatras are very strong nakshatras, asking you to take responsibility for your actions. And in case your actions are not timely, not just, you also have to face the repercussions, which is exactly what Saturn does when it is on a roll. So, we will take a chart here and see how this Saturn works in our chart. Okay, so the best example that I could get here was of that of Salman Khan. His Saturn is in at 18 degrees 43 minutes, right in the Sadbhish Nakshatra, which says that there is enough, more than enough in him to give to everyone. Saturn sitting in his Lagna and aspecting the 10th house makes him a relentless worker. He works really hard and he has the ability to give to people with especially bringing about life changing events in their lives, because Mercury, the lord of the eighth house, is also sitting and is being aspected by this very Saturn. Also, a very strong fact about this Saturn here, or these nakshatras, which this Saturn becomes the part of Mool Trikona sign of Saturn, is that these nakshatras, if the qualities are not, people do not work there, then they have the ability to take people in hand. Saturn also, if it sees that people are not working properly, goes out and dispenses with that justice. So here we see in Salman Khan's case that when he feels that people are not doing the right thing, are not behaving in the right manner, he takes it on himself to set them straight on their path, and he doesn't care much for the consequences. This is how we would be able to understand that the Mula Trikona of a person is an area of your office, along with the nakshatras that are very, very strongly operating with within this area. One realizes that one will have the ability to dispense with the best of the karakas that they stand for, and then come out give you very strong results. So don't forget to write to us as to how you found the content of this video and how you have been able to apply it on your charts. Till we meet with you again, stay safe, be
Please hit the
happy.
bell icon
Thank you.
for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.